Okay, so this video shows the first step in the Gravity Legal Litify payments integration. And in this first step, we're just going to be um, creating a time entry using Litify's time and billing. And then we will move that through to a pre-bill. We'll approve that, and then we'll get it all ready to send out. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm on my self-titled matter here, and I'm going to create a new time entry. So I've got my rate kind of baked in. I'll just use this, although you can enter it manually if you want, 1 hour and 30 minutes. So now I've got that new time entry there. Of course, there might be multiple time entries, and there might also be costs as well. You can add those there. So you'd get a list of all of those time entries and all of those costs. But I can select all or select one, and then I just create a pre-bill there. I can also add those line items to an existing pre-bill. You saw that other button there. So here I would select the billing period. So we'll just say March 1 to March 3rd, which is today. Some notes that you can add to that pre-bill. This is just an extra item that can go on the bill, and then we will click save there. So now I've got my pre-bill that can be, you can notify attorneys at the firm to say, come in and review your pre-bill and approve it. So here we go. We've got kind of the details here of my pre-bill. I can look at the individual line items if I want. I could look at the costs as well if there were some costs there. And then I can say, okay, yes, that is ready for approval. And then there's also one additional step that you can add in where you can actually approve that. So the administrative team can do that. So we'll approve right there. Okay. So that's adding time entries to the bill and actually generating a bill. Let's look at what we've got here. So here we have our invoices, and we'll just view all invoices. And here is the one that we just created for 525. And we can click on that and see all the details of that invoice, including the link to pay, which gets automatically added. Invoices is a different object than bills, which are created by Litify's time and billing. So you notice if we go to the, let's go to the bills, you'll see a corresponding bill here that matches that invoice record. So the reason we do that is so you can still leverage some of the Litify time and billing features. However, excuse me, you also get access to additional features like the ability to bulk send invoices and also create invoices that go into the where payments made go directly into the trust account and don't count against accounts receivable. But invoices is where we'll be working in the next video to actually send that out to the client. Thanks for watching.